What are mail agents and what role do they play in sending and delivering emails? Continue watching to find out. Hello, and welcome to Mailtrap videos, where we explore the world of emails. Mail agents are components of email infrastructure that handle the whole process of sending and delivering emails. Typically, 4 types of mail agents are used to send, deliver, and retrieve emails. These are mail user agents, mail submission agents, mail transfer agents, and mail delivery agents. A mail user agent or email client is a web-based or desktop application that's used to retrieve, read, send, or receive emails. The most common mail user agents include Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, Apple Mail, and others. A mail submission agent is an intermediary between the mail user agent and the mail transfer agent. It receives the message from the email client, checks it for formatting errors, and transmits it to the mail transfer agent. The functionalities of the mail submission agent are often performed by the mail transfer agent. It all depends on the specific software and the architecture of the email infrastructure. This brings us to the mail transfer agent, the bossiest agent of all. Mail transfer agent, also known as email relay, transmits messages from one computer to another using SMTP. To learn more about SMTP, watch our dedicated video. If the recipient's email address is on the same server, the email will proceed to the next step in the delivery process. However, most addresses aren't, so the mail transfer agent will hand the message over to another mail transfer agent. Mail transfer agents are a crucial component of email queuing. MTAs put emails into a sort of buffer until the recipient's mail server is ready to receive them. MTAs move the emails through the queue until they reach the mail delivery agent. The most common MTAs include SendMail, Postfix, and Exum. Once the message goes through all the MTAs, it's passed to the mail delivery agent, specifically to its message handling component. Mail delivery agent processes received emails, sorts them into popular mailboxes, and stores them for the email client to access. A robust email sending solution, such as Mailtrap email sending, implements all the necessary mail agents within its ecosystem. It leverages multiple MTAs for improved scalability and stable email deliverability. That wraps up our quick overview of mail agents. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by Mailtrap, an email delivery platform to test, send, and control your email infrastructure all in one place. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More email-related content is on the way. See you there!